This is the user experience of Adobe as it stands right now. First, you have to open the Creative Cloud, go to Illustrator, create a vector illustration, save it as its own file, then open After Effects, a second and completely separate program. Once that file is set up, you then have to import your Illustrator file. But wait, what if you need to edit your illustration? You have to go back to Illustrator, do whatever edits you wanted to do, then go back to After Effects, the second program. Now, once your animation is all complete, what if you then want to edit that video? Well, you have to export your animation as a Premiere project, a third software. Once inside of Premiere, you then have access to all of the editing controls that you just imported from After Effects. So let's recap. That is 3 separate softwares for creating one simple workflow. What if we made it easier and improved the user experience at the same time? For my concept, it all begins with the installation phase. Whenever you install Adobe as a single software, you are prompted to answer how you intend to use that software, and you can choose whichever features you want installed at that moment. Then once the software is installed, you create a new project. You are instantly in the creative process. You're allowed to see what your initial installation features were there, as well as anything that you have uninstalled. When you choose your initial project, you are giving options in the way of presets, or you can create a new project. But these are all inside of one software. Now you go ahead and you create your vector illustration, but you want to animate it. You can see that the animation suite is not installed. However, installing those capabilities is as simple as going to the mods panel, answering yes to having the animation suite installed, then creating your animation using the new layout. The photo, illustration, and video views merely change what frameworks you have access to, and the user would also be able to create their own custom tabs should they prefer. Now, switching from animation to video editing is as simple as switching the tab. Using these improvements and treating Adobe as a single piece of software opposed to disparate softwares that you have to keep running at the same time creates a more streamlined and user-friendly environment.